Hey y'all, so I just wanted to give you guys an update 2 weeks after I did the polygel from Model 1 where I did the full set. So these nails held up really well. There were maybe 2 or 3 nails that felt like they were getting flimsy, so I did go back and I took the polygel off and I added a tip and put the polygel back on top of the tip just to give it some stability. That was my middle finger and my ring finger. I think it was. The best nail that held up was my index finger. And I think that's because I got the apex on that nail really good. Now, I did go back, and you probably noticed I have some glitter on here because I went back and I just wanted to add some sparkle to my nail when I was redoing them. But overall, they held up really well over the 2 weeks before I took them off to do a new set. My pinky was really flimsy. And so I did, after this video, I went back and put a tip on it because I felt like it was going to bend backwards. And I think that's an apex issue. Like, see how my index finger has a pretty strong, thick apex? That nail was very solid. My pinky was not like that. It felt like when I pressed it against something, like it could snap backwards. So overall, really happy with this set. Definitely recommend this product. I know each time moving forward, it's just going to get better and better as I learn how to use this product. So again, I'll put the link down below on where to purchase this, and also the link to the video where I applied the tips. If you guys want to keep checking out content on nails, just subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys next time.